I'm Seth Schneider, and this is the final episode of VR UX. We hope you enjoyed this series and learned new and useful things for developing in VR. In this series, we took a close look at user experience best practices for VR and gave you tips to make your VR experiences better. If you like these videos and want us to keep making more content like this, join the Intel Game Developer Program at software.intel.com/gamedev and check out more VR developer resources at software.intel.com/VR. We'd like to continue this discussion and ask you to engage with us in the comments section. Share the projects you are working on, and if you've learned something new from the VR UX series, we'd like to hear about it. We'd also like to encourage you to share your tips, tricks, and best practices for VR development. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Intel Software YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, and we will see you at GDC.